Microsoft Word is one of the most widely used tools for writing, but even experienced users make simple mistakes that can make documents look unprofessional or cause unnecessary frustration. Today, we're going to cover some of the most common Word mistakes and how to avoid them. Stick around until the end, and if this helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. One of the biggest mistakes is manually spacing text instead of using proper formatting. Many people press the spacebar or Enter key repeatedly to adjust paragraphs, but this can lead to inconsistent spacing and alignment issues. Instead, use paragraph spacing options and line spacing tools under the Layout or Home tab to keep your document neat and uniform. Another frequent mistake is ignoring styles. Users often format headings and paragraphs manually, which makes it hard to maintain consistency. Using styles not only ensures your document looks professional, but it also makes updating formatting easy. Simply modify a style, and Word will update all text that uses it. A third common error is improper use of tabs versus tables. Some users align text with multiple tabs or spaces, which can shift and break when editing. If you want perfectly aligned text, use tables or the tab ruler instead. This keeps everything organized, especially for forms, lists, or columns. Many users also forget to check document structure, such as page breaks and section breaks. Accidentally adding or removing breaks can mess up headers, footers, or multi-column layouts. Always insert page or section breaks via the Layout tab instead of pressing Enter multiple times. Finally, ignoring Word's built-in tools is a mistake. Spell check, editor suggestions, read aloud, and track changes can save time, prevent errors, and make collaboration seamless. Taking advantage of these features ensures your document is polished, accurate, and professional. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can save time, reduce frustration, and make your documents look far more professional. If you learned something new today, hit the like button, subscribe for more Word tips, and share this video with someone who wants to improve their Word skills. Thanks for watching.